Hi friends, let us discuss method of finding out H.C.F by using Vedic methods known as Lopana Stapana, which means elimination and retention or alternate cancellation of highest and lowest factors or powers. Let us take an equation x square plus 7x plus 6. If you find out the factors, we will get x plus 1 into x plus 6. Similarly, x square minus 5x minus 6, if you factorize x plus 1 and x minus 6. So, if you see in these two factors, x plus 1 is common. So, that is the highest common factor for for both these equations. So, let us use Vedic method and find out the result. So, take x square plus 7x plus 6 minus x square minus 5x minus 6. So, this can be written as or else. So, x square plus 7x plus 6 minus x square plus 5x plus 6. So, these two get cancelled. So, you get 12x plus 12. So, taking 12 as common, x plus 1. This is by subtraction method. Now, let us see with the addition method. Now x square plus 7x plus 6, x square minus 5x minus 6. So, the lowest powers will be get cancelled. Here we have cancelled the highest powers, which we are cancelled highest powers. Now we have got cancelled the lowest powers. Now here 6 got cancelled. Here 2x square plus 2x. Taking 2x as common, x plus 1. So here also we got the same result. In this also x plus 1 and this so H.C.F is x plus 1. X plus 1. Now let us take another example. Friends, now let us take up another example. X cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 12. So factors for this equation is x plus 2, x minus 2 into x minus 3. Another equation is x cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. Factors are x minus 2 into x minus 2. Of course, we can written as x minus 2 whole square also into x minus 3. So, in this, both these things x minus 2 and x minus 3 are common. Here x plus 2 and x minus 2, so they cannot be taken. We are having these two common factors, that is x minus 2 into x minus 3, which is x square minus 5x plus 6. Let us see the Vedic method. Let us take this equation x cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 12 minus x cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. So, this can be written as, that is x cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 12. Here minus x cube minus 7x square is plus 7x square. Here minus 16x minus 12 minus 12 becomes 12. Now the highest powers got cancelled. Now here we are having 4x square minus 20x plus 24. Now let us take up 4 as common. So it is x square minus 5x plus 6. So we have got the same answer with the subtraction method. Now let us see the addition method. X cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 12. This is x cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. Here cancellation of the lowest powers. So here these two got cancelled. We have got 2x cube minus 10x square plus 12x. Now let us take 2x as common. That is x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is the H.C.F is x square minus 5x plus 6. Friends, here also we got x square minus 5x plus 6. With these two methods also we have got x square minus 5x plus 6. This is the H.C.F for these equations. Friends, let us take up another example. 4x cube plus 13x square plus 19x plus 4. So factors are 4x plus 1 into x square plus 3x plus 4. Here we are having these coefficients are different. Though the powers are same but coefficients are different. So we have to make the coefficients also equal. So we have to multiply this second equation with 2. Then subtract it from the first equation. Now let us Vedic method. 1. 4x cube plus 13x square plus 19x plus 4. This is the first equation. Now to make the coefficients and powers equal, we have to multiply this with 2 and subtract it. Minus 4x cube plus 10x square plus 10x minus 8. Now that is 4x cube plus 13x square plus 19x plus 4 minus 4x cube minus 10x square minus 10x plus 8. Now these 4x cube got cancelled. Here we have got 3x square plus 9x plus 12. Now take 3 as common, that is x square plus 3x plus 4. This is the H.C.F we have got. Here also we have got the same H.C.F. Now let us take the addition. 4x cube plus 13x square plus 19x plus 4. And now add 2x. Now there is no need of equalizing the coefficients and the coefficients. 2x cube plus 5x square plus 5x minus 4. Here the lowest factors are got cancelled. Now here it is 6x cube plus 18x square plus 24x. Now take 6x as common. 6x common, x square plus 3x plus 6. So friends, sorry, it is 4. It is 4. So friends, by all the three methods we got the same H.C.F. Thank you. If you find this video interesting, please kindly subscribe it.